Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about the agent mode in VS Code. I've been using Cursor for a long time as my IDE, but recently I've changed to VS Code and just to see how the GitHub Copilot is in VS Code, and yeah, it's quite impressive. GitHub Copilot has the Copilot instructions.md folder, and I added my instructions as I did with the Cursor, and it uses that instruction for everything. So it just automatically use the references whenever I did something. Even Cursor didn't do that. Some of the time it ignored my instructions something, but GitHub Copilot always added the instructions, so that's nice. The so let's just try it out first. I wanted to show some MCP also, the context 7 MCP, which is great. So let's do this. So yeah, my code has an error. I don't know what this means. I don't know how to fix it. I don't understand any of these words. Only async functions are allowed to be exported in use of it. Let's just copy this error, paste it over here, and let's see what happens. So I just copied and pasted the error, and it automatically added some references that it needs, and it's working right now. I mostly use Cloud 3.7 or Cloud 3.5. I've not tested any other models yet, but GPT 4.1 always asks for my permission, so it just um, it's not very agentic. It just says what it's going to do and then asks for permission and then does it. But that's fine. I mostly use Cloud 3.7 so at which like 90% of them it just does what I want. So yeah, apparently it's just a small change. So that should work. Mm, okay, it's updating another file also. Okay, it's fine. Okay, and this is an error now. Let's see how that fixes it. Okay, it's generating again. Maybe this time. Okay, yeah, I see there should be some changes here, but overall this is fine. Let's see how this goes again. So yeah, this is done. So initially I've added an image, and I added this image and I told it to create this component. So let's see. Here it is. So yeah, it created that component to reduce 0 out of 200 images. Okay, there is no images. Okay, let's add some images and see how this goes. So I'm gonna add some random images over here. So this should be uploading now. Oh, there's an issue. What's the issue? Why can't I click it? Okay, it has started uploading. Okay. Okay, yeah, the upload is completed and it's 3 out of 200 images. This is great. The 3 images have been uploaded and it shows here. That's good. Yeah, so overall it does a good job, and it's up to par with Cursor. Cursor just feels more powerful. It just knows what to do some of the time, but I'll probably be moving to uh, GitHub Copilot because it's cheaper, and it's VS Code is more stable, I guess. But Cursor, I have not uninstalled Cursor yet, but I'll probably be using both for some time, and I'll keep what sticks. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you want more coding videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.